This is the 2:6 terminal connector block. From one end, you can expand the bus wire into 6 different branches. I'll show it to you in the layout. Here you can see the terminal connector block, the bus wire. The yellow and the white wires are splitted into 6 different branches using this block. This is the two-way push type terminal, 2 in, 2 out. Here you can see the use of this type of terminals. These are called barrel terminals, the male type. This is used for power supplies to connect the power input and the power output. Here you can see the booster supply from the mains using these kind of barrel terminals have been used. These are the simple one-to-one connector terminals used for general connection purposes. Here you can see how it has been used on my layout. These are the two-position female terminal block plugs, again used in the power supply and the booster system.